Alright guys, 2009 Nissan Maxima AC compressor replacement. We got the new one. That's the bad one. I already get it out. So to make the story short, you need to take that fender liner out, take the wheel out, use the 14 millimeter, release the belt, serpentine belt, and as you see, we have two bolts here and two in the back. Use the 14 millimeter, take all four loose, and use the 10 millimeter. Use the suction line and liquid line, both of them out. Disconnect the compressor, the clutch, and the tricky point is you have to wiggle and take the compressor out from here, but it won't give you enough room. What you need to do, use the 21 millimeter and take these bolts from the subframe right here inside there and make two bolts, one at the passenger side, the other one at the driver's side. Loosen them, and then the subframe is going to come down a little bit. When it comes down a little bit, it's going to give you more room and you would be able to pull the compressor out from here. And then after that, you put the new one here, put everything back together, do the procedure reverse, make sure you replace the o-ring for the lines, both lines right here. If it doesn't come with it, you have to get it and get a new one, vacuum it and recharge it. That's the procedure for the AC compressor replacement on 2009 Nissan Maxima. Thank you guys for watching. God bless.